The problem started weeks or months ago. Dirty oil turns into sludge. Your engine needs air like your body needs oxygen. A small cost for huge benefits. Dirty fluid sometimes provides necessary friction. Each hack might sound small, but skipping them leads to big, painful, expensive problems. Welcome back to NextGear AutoZone. Imagine this. You're driving at night, music on, everything feels smooth, and then suddenly your check engine light comes on, your stomach drops. You pull into a shop and the mechanic walks out with that look, the one that says, "This is going to cost you." 5 words no driver wants to hear. This repair will be expensive. But here's the truth most people never know. That warning didn't appear overnight. The problem started weeks or months ago with tiny mistakes that could have been avoided. Neglect is the most expensive habit a driver can have. Today I'm revealing 7 car maintenance hacks that cost almost nothing, require no mechanical skills, and can save you thousands of dollars. If you want to stop giving mechanics your money, stay with me until the end because each hack is a wallet saver. Hack number 1, oil discipline. Most drivers treat oil changes like laundry. I'll do it later. Later becomes too late. Oil isn't just a lubricant, it protects metal from grinding itself to death. Dirty oil turns into sludge, and sludge destroys engines. Change your oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, even if the manual claims longer intervals. Use a quality filter. Each mile with old oil is like running a marathon without water. You might survive, but the damage accumulates silently. Spend $30 on an oil change now or thousands on an engine rebuild later. Tiny habit. Massive savings. Hack 2. The air filter sun test. Your engine needs air like your body needs oxygen. A clogged air filter suffocates it, forcing it to burn more fuel. Pull out the filter, hold it to the sun. Can't see light through it? Replace it immediately. A $5 filter now can save hundreds in wasted fuel and prevent the engine from running rich. Sharp throttle response, better mileage, and fewer repairs. A small cost for huge benefits. Hack 3, tire rotation routine. Uneven tires ruin suspension and steering components. Front tires wear faster because they steer and carry the engine's weight. Rotate every 5,000 miles, front to back, back to front. It extends tire life by up to 40%, prevents vibrations, and keeps steering smooth. Ignoring rotation may cost you hundreds in tires and suspension repairs. Think of it like brushing teeth. You barely notice daily, but the consequences are painful if you stop. Hack 4, coolant protection. Coolant isn't just colored water. It regulates temperature and prevents internal rust. Old coolant loses anti-corrosion power. Rust spreads inside engine blocks and radiators silently. Flush every 2 to 3 years. $10 coolant now or a $2,000 head gasket repair later. Prevention beats panic. Hack 5, brake fluid awareness. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Moisture causes rust, which leads to seized calipers and damaged brake lines. Waiting until ABS or brake lights flash means the problem is already expensive. Replace brake fluid every 2 years. Smooth braking, longer-lasting parts, 0 surprises. Your future self will thank you. Hack 6, the transmission survival rule. Transmission repairs are brutal, costing thousands. Transmission fluid wears out and loses friction control. Replace it around 40,000 miles. But here's the twist mechanics rarely mention. If your fluid is pitch black and has never been changed, a full flush may harm the transmission. Dirty fluid sometimes provides necessary friction. Do a partial change instead. This single adjustment can save a transmission from catastrophic failure. Hack 7, fuel system wake-up. When acceleration feels weak, it's usually carbon buildup on injectors. Use a fuel system cleaner every 5,000 miles. It dissolves carbon, restores power, and improves fuel economy. You're preventing problems, not just fixing them. A clean fuel system means your engine breathes again, responds faster, and avoids expensive repairs. Here's the mindset that separates smart drivers from the rest. Maintenance is cheap, repairs are not. Most drivers wait for breakdowns. Smart drivers prevent them. Each hack might sound small, but skipping them leads to big, painful, expensive problems. If you found even one hack valuable, hit subscribe and join NextGear AutoZone. Your wallet will notice the difference long before your mechanic does. Remember, it's not about how expensive cars are. It's about how cheap neglect can cost you. Apply these 7 hacks consistently and watch your car last longer, drive smoother, and save you thousands over its lifetime. Every mile you drive smart is money saved, stress avoided, and a longer life for your vehicle. Don't wait for disaster. Act now, keep your car healthy, and always maintain before it breaks. The difference between a cheap habit today and a $5,000 repair tomorrow is one simple choice. Stay vigilant, follow these 7 hacks, and never let neglect steal from you again. NextGear AutoZone will keep you informed, prepared, and always ahead of costly car problems.